Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase local visibility with Google My Business detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a Google My Business account. Visit the Google My Business website. Click on the Start Now button. Sign in with your Google account or create a new one if necessary. Enter your business name in the provided field. Choose the correct business category that best fits your services. Add your business location if you have a physical store. If you serve customers at their locations, select the appropriate option. Fill in your business address accurately. Specify any service areas if you deliver services to customers. Input your contact information, including your phone number and website URL. Complete the verification process by choosing a preferred method, typically by mail or phone. Once verified, log in to your Google My Business dashboard. Upload high-quality images of your business, products, or services. Add a compelling business description that highlights your unique selling points. Use relevant keywords to enhance discoverability in local searches. Ensure your business hours are updated and accurate. Utilize the Posts feature to share updates, promotions, or events. Respond to customer reviews promptly, showing engagement and professionalism. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews on your profile. Monitor insights available in your dashboard to understand customer interactions. Adjust your strategy based on the insights to improve local visibility. Share your Google My Business listing on social media platforms for wider reach. Regularly update your profile with new photos, information, and posts to keep it fresh. Ensure your NAP name, address, phone information is consistent across all online platforms. Consider adding a booking button if applicable to make scheduling easier for customers. Regularly review and update your business information as needed to reflect any changes. Engage with your audience by answering questions posted in the Q&A section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.